dear student, welcome to geography class. In this class, we are going to cover the remaining question answer of exercise. See, we are going to cover in this class question number 3 D, E, F, then question number 5 B. Okay, and I will show you the book where I have already pointed out the marked line as answer, but my instruction is to do that in your notebook or school copy or whatever you are having presently. Okay, do not study it from this online kind of thing. Mark your portion in your notebook or whatever you are having today. So student, let's start. Okay, first question for today's lesson is give one reason to explain each of the following. This is the instruction and the question is meteors slow down and burn up when they enter the mesosphere. What will be the answer? Okay, the answer is, see, the layers is of vital importance as meteors slow down and burn up due to friction and frictional heat when they enter the mesosphere. Okay, this line is the answer. You will write this line in your notebook. Okay, move on to the next give reason, that is next give reason is deforestation contribute to global warming. We need to provide again one another reason. Okay, see, forests are a major carbon sink and in their absence the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere increases, which traps heat in the atmosphere leading to global warming. Only one reason or one line, whatever. Okay, move on to the next give reason, that is question number 3F, that is incandescent light bulbs should be replaced by CFL bulbs. It is because they consume less energy as compared to incandescent bulb. Okay, next is question number 5B. Discuss the importance and significance of the 3 R's in bringing about sustainable development. By following 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse strategy, we can use natural resources for our growth as well as save them for the need of the future generation. This is called sustainable development. And again you need to write a few extra lines that are this point. We must reduce the use of natural resources so that they do not get depleted. Then we must reuse resources instead of throwing them away after each use. Then we must recycle or convert waste material into new product, changing them from their original form. Up to here you will write. Okay, still 2 questions are left, that are question number 4C, this discuss how an ozone hole is created, and question number 5E, state 4 initiatives you as a student can take to improve the environment in which you live. I will provide you handwritten notes on these questions. Okay, that will be soon, that will be available in our group. till then, keep studying, and most important thing, take a note of all these questions and answers. Okay, we will meet in our next class.